Hey guys, it's KT coming right from my house. Yes, this is another blizzard. This is a huge blizzard that we're in. Probably one of the worst blizzards that we have ever encountered. Whew, man, I'm live right. This is a picture of this is a view of my neighborhood, as you can see. We got a major snowstorm. Oh shit. A major snowstorm going on. It's been going on since like yesterday. I mean, it's been going on since Tuesday, so yeah. But yeah. So yeah, I'm outside of my house, as you can see. Walking through my neighborhood in this snowstorm. See, look at the street. You can barely see the street right now, for crying out loud. So, I mean, and those city crews has came by to, like, you know, plow this shit up all of a sudden. But it's like whatever. So. But that's all I can say. Hey, Mr. TJ. Alright? Yeah, it's one of my neighbors over there. He's shoveling the snow right now. So, whew. Man, is it getting heavy and heavy now. Oh, shoot. It's going to be the worst snowstorm that we ever had. Probably not. Probably gonna be slightly less than the snowstorm that we had at 67. Obviously, I wasn't even born yet. That was like way before my time. But whew, it's a huge snowstorm, baby. I can hear the kids like screaming out of excitement all of a sudden. I think obviously they're screaming out of excitement because of a snow day and they don't have school today. Yeah, so I can understand what they're coming from. Might take me.
No, we've been out here off and on all night long, right?
Yeah. Might take me a walk real quick. Let's walk around the neighborhood.
Alright.
Whew. I am walking in the street. And this hasn't been plowed.
No.
Yeah, I know. I'm recording this stuff and putting it on YouTube. That's what I'm gonna do. Man, it's a lot of snow. Hey, Dad. No, I'm like just walking around the neighborhood. There's a tree down on Wentworth. It's a tree down on Wentworth. Yeah. Yeah. So, I'm just. Huh? We've been like off and on this. That's why. So. Yeah. All right. Whew. like a huge snowstorm that we had. And it's still going on. Alright. Let's get more video footage of this snowstorm. Look at it. I'm just walking slow as molasses in this heavy pile of snow. I'm walking in the street, which it hasn't been plowed. Yeah. Whew. Oh, frick. Oh, shit. Yeah. It's like 20 some odd inches of snow. Oh, shit. Nah. And I'm walking dead ahead. Okay, guys. This is, I am on 108th place at Woodworth Avenue. It's just like a block away from where I stay at. And dead ahead, there it goes. Oh shit. We got a we got a tree that is like, that has a branch. And it's like knocked over and stuff like that. Apparently, it's gonna be a pain in the ass trying to get right headed. But there it goes. You see it in the street, which the street obviously hasn't been plowed as of now. But I'm just showing this to you right now. Since we done had this particular snowstorm. Whew. It's really breezy out here. It's really windy out here. It's cold as fuck. Gotta get the freak in. Alright. Now, I am walking the freak back to my house. And this horrible snowstorm. Great. Kids playing on the next block, as you can see. Man, this is a rough snowstorm that we had. Worst snowstorm of this kind. Well, whew, man. Oh shit. Wow, look at that car right there, parked kind of kitty cornered. Look at all these cars all stuck in their particular spots. Not a single car. I don't know what's been on this block, but I do see a pathway to it. Obviously, you can't even see the street, for crying out loud, like I just said. Whew. Man. Enough of this shit. Avalanche!